Welcome to Shopee HaiLiLao Hotpot. My name is Ting. I'll be presenting on introductions of our program, which is the restaurant management system. Our group is Baby Shop. This program I conduct together with my friends, Emily and Flora. What about on our programs? Our program has three main modules. The first one is the human resources management. For this part, Emily will give the detailed code explanations. Secondly is the menu management. Flora will be presenting the code explanation for these modules. The last one is the sales reporting system. I will be presenting on these modules. Let's move on to the objective of our programs. The first one is a human resources management to improve the operational effectiveness and manage the scheduling and lift the procedures well. Secondly is a menu management to provide a complete and convenient ordering environment. Besides, it is used by staff to record menus and price. The last one is a sales reporting system to track the sales of the restaurant and provide accurate financial reporting. Next is the scope of our programs. For the human resources management, it is strengths for manage all employee records. It is limitations for technology dependence and need for customizations. For the menus management, it is strengths for record customer order amounts and requirements, and also provide the price and menu item options. It is limitations also for requires a lot of investment for development and maintenance. Lastly is the sales reporting system. It is strengths for implement security measures to protect a confidential sales data. It is limitations also for the accuracy of report depends on the completeness and quality of the input data.
I would like to present my restaurant HR management system. This system is designed to simplify employee management tasks such as scheduling, leave checking, and employee record keeping. It builds in Python using the Tinker library for the graphical user interface and JSON for the data storage. First, let me explain how this system manages data. Our system uses a simple JSON file as its database, and the data is loaded when the application starts and saved automatically whenever changes are made. For example, the load data function checks if the file exists, and if it does, it loads employee record. If not, it initializes a new database. This approach ensures persistent data storage even if the program is closed and reopened. One of the essential functions is adding a new employee to the system. Here is how it works. Click on Add Employee button. A form appears where they can enter details like name, employee ID, duty hour, and off day. Once submitted, the employee details are stored in JSON file. Next, let's talk about the graphical interface. Tinker is the library I've used to build the GUI. It provides a user-friendly experience with buttons, form, and table are easy for navigation. The main menu acts as the control center, allowing users to access different features like adding employee, managing shift, and applying for leave. Moving on to shift management. It uses the employee duty hours and off day to create a schedule for the entire week. For instance, employees are assigned their duty hour from Monday to Sunday, except on their designated off day, where the system marks it as off. The entire process is dynamic and ensures shifts are updated for the current week automatically. Another critical feature is leave management. Here is how it works. Click on the Apply for Leave button and enter the employee ID. Enter the leave started date. Here are an example. And enter the leave and ended date. The system will check if they have enough leave balance. If approved, the scheduled shift for those days are marked as leave, and the leave balance is updated accordingly. Now let's talk about how users can view and edit employee detail. By selecting View All Employees, user can see a table listing all employees along with their IDs, remaining leave balance, duty hours, and their off day. If changes are needed, click Edit Employee. You need to enter the employee ID, and you can choose whether you want to delete employee, change their off day, or view leave balance. If you want to change their off day, you can click it and select a new off day for the employee. And if you want to view leave balance, you can just submit, then you can see. Lastly, viewing weekly schedule. In this section, the system displays each employee's schedule for current week. For example, click on View Schedules button. The table includes all days of the week, and each cell shows whether the employee is working on leave or off. The main menu groups all features into clearly labeled buttons, ensuring a user can navigate the system without needing any technical expertise. The design focuses on functionality and the ease of use. This project demonstrates the integration of Python, Tinker, and JSON to create a real-world application. That's all from me. Thank you.
This modular, we have added on the remove function and the item category function. Now I will explain the code of this modular. This modular is a order system, and this part is the Python built-in Twinkle library to create a GUI window, and this part is our item and our price for our items. And this part is used to store the selected item and the price. And here is used to update the total price after complete the order. And the function of here is used to add the price after selected items. And it will display in here. And then this part is used to remove item and update the new total price after the custom select the item they want remove. And then this part is used to create a new window for show the order and the total price. And this part is used to display the item and their price according to the category. And function of here is used to add the selected item to the order. And here is used to finalize order and close the application. And all of this part is the GUI setting, the window title, the button, the color, the size. This line of code is used to keep the window open. Now we run the code. This is the window here, the title, and the button category of our item, drinks, dessert and side, soup, base, meat, and seafood. Now we select the item and press the X select item button. Then they will show the item it has been added on your order. And if you want to view your complete order, press the display my order button. Then your complete order will show it here, show it in a new window. And if you want to remove the item, just click the item you have select and click the remove select item button. Then it will show your item has been removed. And if you already complete your order, press the finalize order button. Then they will show the total price. That's all for this part.
Hi, I'm Ting. I excited to walk you through a project I built a simple but effective sales reporting system for our Shopee HaiLiLao Hotpot. This is built by Python and using a Dwindle library. It's designed to make managing sales easier, tracking revenue effortless, and pulling statistics a breeze. Let's see what about for it. Let me explain the system step by step. To begin with the menu and data, I've kept a menu with a category like drink, desserts and sides, soups, meat, and seafood. And I assign price to each item. All sales are saved in a file called sales data JSON, which is this one. So the system can remember them even after it calls. Let's see the core features. The first one is a loading sales, which is this one, and the saving data. This one. This tool, right, when the program starts, it loads any previous sales from a file, and when you add new sales, it saves them back to that file, which is the sales data JSON. The second one is the managing input function, which is queue entry for this button, and then the update menu by category for this button, and then update price for the item here. There are helper functions to reset the fields, update the menu drop-down when you change the category, and display the price for the selected menu item. No room for mistake. The next one is a picking a date and time functions, which is this one, select date time. Is this button, select date and time button. You can choose the date and time of the sale using a pop-up window like this. You click the date and time button, and then here will appear a pop-up window, and then you can set your time. Super handy if you are entering task order. Next one is the adding sale function, which is this one, add sales, and this button. When you hit the add sale, the system check everything is filled up correctly, calculate the total price for the order, and save it to a list of current sales. Next is a saving all sales function, is this one, save all sales, which is this button. Once you are done entering sales, you just click save all sales, and everything is written to the file. Next is the analysis and reporting functions, which is here, this four. The first one is a view total sales, which is this button. It is calculate and display the total revenue from all sales. And then the second one is a view sales by category, which is this button. It is aggregate sales total for each category and display them. Next one is a view sales trends, which is this button, show the every revenue trends for insight into a peak day. Last one is a view order statistics, which is this button. It is highlight the total number of order and the best selling items. And then we also have a exit button, which is this one here, exit button. If you finish everything, you can choose this button to exit everything. This system is consists of graphical user interface. In the soft form, which is GUI grid, the interface consists of drop-down, button, and label arranged using the Dwindle grid layout. Combo box around category and payment and job selections. Button execute various operations like adding sales, saving data, or viewing report. Now I finished the code explanation. Let me show you how the system works. If you want to record the sales, first one, you need to select date and time, and then here will appear a pop-up window, and then you can input the date and time. Today is 5 December, so you input here 2024, and then December 05. Let's say now is 12 p.m. You input here, and then you set the time. Here will display the date and time here. And then you select a category. Let's say the customer order desserts and side, and then select the menu item here, chocolate ice cream. Here will display the price, which is 3 ringgit, and then the quantity is 2, let's say, and the table number is 7. And then you select the payment method. The customer use the cash to pay the purchase. And then you add the sales and see the confirmation messages here. Sale records add successfully, and then you click OK. And then you finish at all the sales. You click the save all sales. You're saving the data once you are done all the thing. And all the records are saved securely. If you want to generate the report, you can click the view total sale to see how much money we have made. Here the total revenue show. Or you want to check the sales by category to see which section is bringing in the cash. Or you want to check the sales by category, you can click this button, view sales by category button. You can see the sales by category, which is best here, meat, desserts and side here. Or you want to know the best selling item, you just click the view order statistics. You can see the best selling item here. For this one, view sales trend, you can see the sales day by day. And then when you finish everything, you just click exit. That's it. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. That's all from our programs. Thank you.